the show insert. With me who always be a caring presenter, Tika, and my partner who always be cool, Fahri.
Yeah, of course, and the one and the only your perfect Christian. Well, Tika, do you remember an eldest son of Ahmad Cipto, Bayu?
Yes, of course. The boy who will celebrate New Year's with Papa Batu, who makes me jealous. I still try to believe it.
Yeah, but are you sure that they have special relation?
I'm not really sure, but actually I hope that not sure.
Haha. Yeah, I know that you mean. Well, to know more about him, how about to invite him in our show?
Wow, that is interesting. Okay guys, stay close to Abayu. Hey, handsome boy, how's your day?
Thank you.
Look, who is really cool between the boy beside me? I is the winner, right?
Haha. Well, can you tell me when you celebrate New Year's?
I celebrate with my family of Jakarta.
Really? No one else?
No else. Just with my family and my friend.
We have some pictures that show you with the girls.
Alright, let's take the picture. You hold her. You hold her hand.
Haha, you know that's so crowded so three to perfect haircut it.
So, can you tell us how's your feeling to her?
We are just friends. No special feeling.
Is she your criteria?
She is smart, beautiful cat.
So, do you like her?
As I said before, we are just a friend.
Girl, if they have no relation at all, you still sense to be his girlfriend.
That's right, Al.
Well, guys, based on his claim that there are no relationship between about Bayu and Kokom Tetu.
That's it. It's time for you to go. Thanks for coming, Al.
Yes, never mind.
So, guys, I am the most handsome presenter and my partner.
Tika, the most caring presenter, have to go. Don't forget, voice insert every day. See you.